There's the front end. What's up, sexy? What's going on, bro?
You here?
What's up, brother?
You recording?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
You're in the vlog.
Alright, so check me out. Franco_Maku. I got one of the fastest SI in the world.
He's not kidding. Right there. Oh, man.
No more race today, bro.
No.
There's no action today.
How's it going, Steven?
Good, good.
Dang, I missed out. Oh, you guys playing it black. Okay, nice.
Check it out. So I just want to give you a tour. Here's, what is it? Retrofit source headlights. Check them out, right on there.
Retrofit.
Housing, LEDs. You got 5 right here, right?
Dang, that looks good.
Low beam, high beam, high beam. And then this is also sequential.
Dang, is this your car?
No, it's my buddy's. I'm just riding.
And man, it looks good. Ooh. I'm gonna go ahead and switch to the camera so that way you guys get a little bit better quality. I know it's kind of dark in here, at least with this GoPro. So
we're gonna get it started up here soon.
Oh, get the first start. Yeah, you definitely
first start up on
definitely want the first start up on the actual camera, not on this GoPro.
We just gotta put the battery in the computer and just waiting for him to finish the other headlight. We don't want to start it without the new headlights. You know, we got the bling bling, the new jewel.
Oh yeah, there you go. That's better lighting.
Yeah. So jewel LED headlights. Oh yeah.
That looks good. I really got to get myself a pair of those.
Yeah.
Dang. Missing out. Looks good, looks good. Can't wait for the startup.
Yeah, coming soon.
Can't wait for the startup.
Minus 20 minutes.
T-minus 20 minutes and counting when we get this one in.
About 20 minutes before the other headlights.
All right, let me switch over to the good camera. All right, switch over to the better camera here. Let's go ahead and show you guys more detail. Woo. That beauty right there. Black housing. Gotta get one of those. Actually, better show you guys right here out of the box. Dang. Baller. I'm gonna pick myself up some of those.
Retrofit source. Thanks, Matt.
Now, Franco, who is here as well. You guys have not seen him yet, but actually, no, you guys did, just from the GoPro. Franco! Where'd he go? Oh, he's over there. So he actually, what he ended up doing is putting his new exhaust on. And his SI is actually really fast, so go ahead and check him out at Franco McCoy. Let me go ahead and show you guys his whip. All these cars going by. All right, check it out, bro. Lunar SI, I like the plate.
I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna change it later. It's just something that just happened.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
It just happened.
You just fucking happened.
You got a light? I don't think we can see. It's too dark.
See, I got a light.
Let's see it. Dang, bro, are you a Type R? I didn't know you were a Type R now.
It's an SIR.
Oh, it's an SIR. My bad, my bad.
It's an SIR now.
Man, that looks pretty good though.
Shout out to E-Man for hooking it up. Sounds pretty good. Quiet. Doesn't have that nasty whine anymore.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, so pretty happy with it.
Well, I gotta hear it. We gotta hear it, man.
It's quiet. I'm telling you, it's
No,
really
we gotta
quiet.
hear it. Oh wow, it is actually pretty quiet. Give it a few revs. Sounds good though. It sounds real good.
Sounds deep.
Yeah, I like it.
It used to be.
Yeah, you were on that stock pipe. So what modifications do you have again that gives it that tone that you're rocking besides just the Type R exhaust?
PRL front pipe, PRL down pipe, and then retrofitted the stock Type R exhaust on there.
Okay.
So they had to do modifications to it to make it fit.
Okay, okay.
But it actually came out pretty good, and it doesn't have that nasty whine anymore when you get off the throttle.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm talking about? The one when you like when you're around 4,000 RPMs or whatever, and you hear that nasty sound, it doesn't have that anymore.
Nice.
So it's pretty good. I like it.
Just giving you guys a little preview of the front end here. It has been a while since she's been on the car.
As you can tell by all the dust built up.
There's a lot of dust built up.
Yeah,
huh?
Jesus, look at that.
Golly. And if you guys remember from last vlog, right here, the freaking Steven, how fast is your S2K again, Steven? What's it? 9 second?
8 seconds.
8 second.
8.
Jesus.
820 so far. 20 pounds of boost.
Barely. Oh my bad. Barely 20 pounds of boost. 8 second S2K right here, guys. Jeez.
We'll get it turned up soon in the next few months. We'll go 7.
Gosh.
Just cruising. Put on cruise control. Go 820.
Crazy, crazy. And man, finally this thing will hopefully, we'll get a clip here of you guys, for you guys, just get that startup. I can't wait to see these on though. These are gonna look so good.
That's why I'm waiting for the headlights to get done so we can do the startup with the headlights on.
Yeah.
Full impact.
Man, that just itself looks so aggressive. So we got Master Mechanic Franco over here, about to work on Romel's car. Hey Master Mechanic, how does it feel?
I've done this too many times.
Oh, okay. You're a specialist now.
Show us the money.
Well, when your turbo goes out, you're gonna have to learn how to take it off, in and out.
All right.
What's coming out? Lipstick coming out? Oh, there's a rag right there. Don't drip it all over.
Hey, come on, man.
There you go.
I thought you were a professional. I thought you knew how to do this.
I do. Stick it in.
Dang, Franco, I didn't know you had some blue Hanes, man.
Oh,
it was good. Here's the Kev Man's hood, by the way, the clear hood. I bet you guys can see the camera shadow. But just show you guys a little bit. So that's pretty cool. Can't wait till that's back on. You guys will see this whole thing, everything all pieced back together here soon. As well as getting the front end here on. So just taking some time, guys, but don't worry, it's gonna be done here soon. All right, guys, I think we're gonna get a first startup here coming up right now. Get prepared. Moment of truth. All right.
Premium grade Honda coolant. Genuine.
It's like some ASMR stuff right there.
Oh yeah, they turn yellow.
Ooh.
Turn off the high beams. Oh, that high beams on?
Hey, you have your high beams on. There you go. Hey.
Yeah, look, the cutoff line.
Those are the hazards. Oh yeah, that looks cut off line.
Yeah. You can't get that with reflectors.
I just realized why this was so dark. It's because of the settings on my camera. There you guys go. Visually see it so much better.
You need them? Yeah. That's 2000.
Those lights are freaking sick. I definitely got to get me a pair of those. Finally going to be putting the
Down. You can put a new one
bumper
on
back onto that beauty. And man, that is one beautiful sight right there. Gonna get loud. This is gonna get loud.
Holy shit! Hey, y'all! Did you see that?
Holy! Oh, did I miss the flame?
Yeah, I got the flame.
You got the flame?
Holy shit!
Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. I went back there because I knew it would be way too loud, so I didn't want the mic to just distort. You got the flame? Oh, here we go, guys. Oh my god. Now I know that you guys are all curious, so I asked him to go ahead and pop the hood so we can show you guys. We got LS swapped S2K. That is pretty crazy. Show you guys in more detail here. Got the turbo blanket. That is a beaut. And then just coming right back over here to Romel's ride. Just adding the last finishing pieces here. So right here, just show you guys, we kind of just dropped the hood on just real quick to kind of get a vision. We haven't really bolted the whole thing in, but to show you guys what it would look like. Got every single thing that he's running here. Going down the line here. And this is how it's going to be presented at SEMA. Obviously with a much better lighting. Still got to add those right there in. So here's the old OEM headlights. Yeah, guys, it's reality, and it is finally finished. How do you feel, Romel?
Feeling good, baby.
Stressed out still?
Stress relieved.
Stress relieved. SEMA is literally 2 days away, guys. 2 days. Actually, no.
Not rolling, yeah.
In a sense, a day right now for you.
Sunday 9 a.m., baby.
So tomorrow, you just got to really finish her all up and just drive to Vegas. Get her all done.
And that ultra racing up in here.
So we're practically gonna wrap up right here. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys very much for watching. If you guys want to see more of that beauty right there, follow Romel and check out his build on Instagram. Also check out the myth, the man, the legend at Quick and Slick as well, one who built that beauty. And then we'll catch you guys next week. Thank you guys very much. Keep grinding, stay humble, and yeah, that.